Hello everyone, welcome to the Finland Academy and MTED Software. So in the series of week gone by, we will look at how week was and what are the key levels for coming week. So in the previous week, we have seen that index has performed quite well. It was up nearby the 10% and whatever the resistance level it was getting fined earlier weeks in the range of 14,500 to 14,600. So it has taken out in this week and it has tested the key level of 15,000. If we pay attention to the sector perspective, so these are the sector which has did quite well. Means the PSU banks in a week it was up by 25%, and then afterwards the bank nifty and private banks which has a very huge weightage on the index, they have performed quite well. So we can say that this is what a driving factor for the nifty. Nifty was up by 10%, but let's say if we see the underperformance by half of it, then some of the sectors like in consumers, then FMCG, MNC, media and IT sectors comes as a lagging sector where we have seen the underperformance. However, means the pharma banks was up by 7% and it has tested the key support level, and from there it is bouncing up on the high side. So in the next week we can look forward for this particular sector. In a Nifty, we are seeing that means there was a good momentum that we have seen. Now on the daily chart, we can see that there was a strong momentum, and in past couple of days, we have seen the certain kind of the lackluster momentum, but still it didn't give up. It's in a positive strength. So it continued to be on the positive side. If I'm looking at the intraday chart to determine the key support level, because in this positive structure, resistance is not important, but sustainability of a support is very important. So with this upside momentum, the index has created an important support level which is around 14,700 level. 14,700 level, last time we have seen the huge inception of fall from this point. By the same time, there was a retest over there and it has started to pick up its momentum. So it is played as a low reversal level. So in coming time, 14,700 level is a key support level. If 1 or 200 point declining momentum is happening, then it doesn't determine the negativity. It is just a part of correction. 14,700 move below this level, it determines a short-term weakness. Maybe there afterwards it can last a little bit more up to the gap up areas and some of the previous turning points like this 14,200 kinds of, that can be the potential level. But before than that, 14,700 levels plays a very important role. On the higher side, we have reached at a psychological figure that is in a 15,000 level. 15,000 to 15,200 level act as a Fibonacci extensions from multiple points. So this is what the next best resistance point is there. So we are at a psychological resistance level, but as I said, as of now, resistance is not that much important. The breach of a support plays a very important role. So as far as the market is above the 40,700 level, we can retain a positive view. Move below the 40,700 level, it can lead to the further negativity. So 10% in a previous week, some of the outperforming sector were banking and auto sector. Underperforming sector were FMCG, IT and pharma. Key resistance band for the Nifty is the 15,000 to 15,200 level, but in this very strong positive momentum, support has a more utility than the resistance. So to understand the negativity or to confirm the negativity, it is very essential that means prices moving below the support level, not just being at a resistance point. Bulls zone will remain up to the 14,700 level. So in a short term, view remains in positive as far as index sustains above 14,700 level. From a sector perspective, finance and auto sector, which were doing well in a previous week, they can continue to do well in a recent week, as well as the reversal sign we can witness in a pharma and FMCG sector. Whatever the discussions that we did, that is for the educational purpose only. Thank you so much.